Good morning, class 10th. Welcome to English literature period. Presently we are at lesson 10th from first book, First Flight. And this is the sermon at Banaras. Day before yesterday, this lesson was summarized very clearly. Now we have to know its explanation line by line. Dear students, with this lesson, the writer has tried to convey us about the life of Prince Siddhartha. Prince Siddhartha was childhood name of Mahatma Buddha. Students, after getting enlightenment, he was famous as Mahatma Buddha. Please be online. First passage is going on. Prince Siddhartha was sent for schooling at the age of 12 years to Hindu scripture. After completing education, he returned in the age of 16 years. Then he was married with the Princess Yasodhara. They had a lovely son, and they named him Rahul. Prince Siddhartha lived very happily with his wife Yasodhara in his royal palace. But one day he was messaged what was given to him by God and Goddess in form of winds. That message made the prince restless, upset too much. He got information about the world that it was full of sorrow, suffering, and pain. Now, he wished to see, to know those sufferings, pain, sorrow. So, one day he expressed his hearty desire of hunting before his father, King Suddhodana, and he was allowed. When he came out from his palace first chance, he noticed an old man, a sick man, and his second time dead body, means death procession. Dead body was being carried by the people, and once more beggar. These sights moved the priest very badly, Now he decided to leave his family in the palace, and finally he left his family in the palace and left the place during midnight. After that, he wandered here and there for 7 years. One day he got a fig tree in Gaya and took place under the tree. Within 7 days, he got enlightenment, means knowledge. From that day, the tree was renamed Bodhi tree. It means tree of wisdom. Please highlight the line. In the first passage, after that, he set about to preach, to give his preachings place to place. He gave his first preach. Preach means sermon. First sermon at Benares. Listen, this lesson has been taken. This lesson has got its title from there. After that, the Prince Siddhartha, who had become famous as Mahatma Buddha, began to move place to place to give his religious teachings. Here in the lesson, after this point, please know a story belonging a lady named Kisa Gautami. Second passage. Now, second passage has been started. Your eyesight should be on the second passage. Don't wait, I will show you book. Lines of the book. It's your duty. I am reminding you, you should have book while reading in literature. Second passage. Kisa Gautami had only one son. One day, happening occurred to her. Son died. Her son died. And she was very gloomy. She was sorrowful. She couldn't think anything. She had become nearly mad in grief of her son. She went place to place with the dead body of her son in order of getting medicine. But nowhere she could get medicine for her son. Up to here. While explanation, I told you to highlight the sensitive portion as you did in the class. Here also mark or highlight sensitive portion, create questions, write down in your notebook, then write proper answer and send me. This is your homework. Thanks. Have a nice day.